2, 3, or 5?
To Sidcup Queen Mary's Hospital.
And she kept saying to me, I don't know when she thought me suspicious if she wanted to, she told me her name.
Station Road, Crescent Road.
She's always supposed to get in the building, so she must be very quiet. Not too chewy or hard, you know,
229 to Sidcup Queen Mary's Hospital.
I should mention that. You never get a mini cake here, we're lucky we get a tea. I've been for a while, because last week I was going to go and then they cancelled it, nobody was going to go except me. And then I think the week before, somebody must have been, yeah, the week before,
Will the Scrabble get moved to Sarah Games?
So that's next March, isn't it? A new woman came today to what she did. Oh, she's not traveled far. She started in Merchant Avenue, then she moved somewhere around the corner, and now she's in Painswick. She's close, she's close. Yeah, she moved. I couldn't believe how far she moved. Look out the station to me. You woman, that's not the way. You go left. I said, you sure? I said, well, it's gone this way. I was going past the shops. And then she said, you do live in Oldstone Drive. I said, where's Oldstone Drive? No, I don't. We ended up walking up the road together. I thought, oh, this is the case. I got so impressed. I got the impression she's one of the people that live with their father all their life until the father died. The father died recently.
Sidcup, Carlton Road.
She's lost her husband, so they've been going out together trying to cheer each other up.
That's probably why she made it last minute.
Yes, I've actually been with her father, but she says she's not a long time. Musical things, you know, everything is. I love it. And I remember going to see, I think it was Everything Goes with Elaine Poehler, just going back a few years. But I did that wrong, I think, and I just got reasonable tickets, expensive tickets. And then went, oh dear, I don't think I've bought tickets. And they said, they definitely don't mind paying a fortune on tickets, I think, play anything. Thank you.
To